guys, this is Gautam Gomtesan. Welcome to today's video. Today market has opened. Let's analyze today's what happened. Today market has opened around 300 points gap down. Today there's an interesting factor. Market was continuously in selling momentum. See, it was totally in the selling momentum. At last there come a buy momentum. Then there was a sell momentum. The interesting thing is the low made here was around 22,471. Okay. See, but the year made is 22,478. This low hasn't been touched again. See, this low is not touched. Wait. Even there is a long sell momentum here, this low is not touched. So there may be a panic selling here. Okay, that's interesting for the other two. After the market close, see the gift nifty. The gift nifty is up around for 1000 points. See, as soon as market close, just in 15 minutes, it was around 1000 points. Now it's trading. It's now the time is see 5:24. Now it's trading around 650 points gap up. I feel this may sell into within tomorrow's opening. By the morning it may be maybe around 100 or 200 points gap up. This is what I feel. This will get sold into, and maybe it can open over here somewhere 22,700 to 800 range. I may go wrong. I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. Even though this is my prediction, this is my analysis. Okay, let's get into the video. Today we're gonna see the metal, energy, and infra indexes. These are the most important index. From its all-time high, this has corrected for around 13%. Metal. If you see energy has corrected for 23%. And infra has corrected around 13%. This is metals and infra are in line or somewhat lower than the Nifty correction. So I hesitate to take these. This is the metal index heavyweights. Tata Steel, then Hindalco, then Vedanta. These are the top three of the metal index. In energy index, the top three is ONGC, Coal India, and comes the Reliance. The infra index heavyweights are Reliance Industries. Wow, it's in both the sectors. Then Bharti Airtel, then L&T. Tata Steel, Hindalco, then comes Vedanta, ONGC, Coal India, Reliance, Airtel, Just delete few of these shares. Airtel, and L&T, Larsen and Turbo. Let's start with Tata Steel. Tata Steel has corrected for 13.6%. Hindalco has corrected for around its all-time high is 1030 something for 18%. Vedanta has corrected from its all-time high of 770 to 650. It's minus 17%. Now ONGC. ONGC has corrected 23%. Let's take 24. It's in decimal. Coal India corrected was 18%. And then Reliance. We forgot to add this layer, Reliance. Reliance is it's hardly 13% away from its all-time high. Same goes here. Bharati Airtel is 18% away from all-time high. L&T is 25%. Our rule is same. Whichever is in line, we are not going to take those index of shares. See, we are not going to take Tata Steel. We are not going to take Hindalco is more than metal index, zone index, and corrected more than Nifty. So we can take this. Vedanta will be taking. We will be taking ONGC. It's in line with its own index and higher than the Nifty also. 2 points. For Coal India, it's lower than its own index. So we are not going to take this. Reliance we are not going to take. Reliance we are not going to take. Airtel is higher than its own in Nifty. So we are taking this. L&T also it's higher than its own index and the Nifty. So we are taking this. So our watch list shares for today are Hindalco, Vedanta, ONGC, Airtel and L&T. It's away minus 18%. Vedanta is 17% away. ONGC is minus 24% away. Airtel is minus 18% away. And L&T is minus 25% away from its all-time high. It's 4%, corrected 4% higher. Let's make it minus. Then it's Nifty minus 3 and this is minus 10, this is minus 4 and this is 11. From Nifty. These are the watch list share for us. Let's see another thing. What happened to GIFT Nifty? See, it's slowly GIFT is correcting. Let's go to switch to 15 minutes candle. See, I expect to tomorrow it may be open. I'll say this may be flat also. We can't expect this much gap up for a simple reason of Trump has announced that he has stopped uh, attacking Iran for next 5 days. So it may be a knee-jerk reaction. Let's see. There is a pattern also. How much there is a selling pressure? It doesn't break the low made at 1 p.m., which is 471. See here, 471. Even at the last 330 also, it doesn't break that. So we can expect a bullish also. Let's hope for the best. Okay, let's consider on this long term, creating our own watch list. Do subscribe my channel, like and share. If you have any questions, ask in the comment. I will answer it in the next video. See you tomorrow. Bye and cheers. Subscribe, like for more. Thank you.